Hello, children. In this class, we are going to start a new chapter, and the name of this chapter is Man, the Living Machine. So, let's start. Okay, first of all, name a body part which rhymes with the given words. Okay, some words are given, and you have to write the name of a body parts that rhymes with that word. Like the first is a nest. Nest is rhyme with chest. Next, cart. We all know cart. Cart is rhyme with heart. Then C, it rhyme with knee. South to mouth. Check to neck. Dump to thumb. Sydney to kidney. And thin to chin. Okay, let us read about different organs of our body. Okay, let's start. A car, a grinder, and a computer are all machines. Do you know that the human body too is a machine? It is it is a living machine. It can see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. It can also move, grow, breathe, and reproduce. No machine can do all this. Okay, our body is most likely of a machine. Uh, as machine works with various parts, our body is also made up of various parts, and we can do all the things with this with the help of these body parts. And it is a living machine cannot see, hear, smell, taste, feel, but our body can do all of this. It can also grow, breathe, and reproduce. আমাদের বডি হচ্ছে একটা মেশিনের মতনই। এখানে মেশিনগুলো যেমন নানা রকম পার্টের সাহায্যে চলে, সেরকমও আমাদের বডিও নানা রকম পার্টের সাহায্যে কাজগুলো করে। ওকে, the human body is made up of cells. This is a picture of a cell. Our body is made up of these cells. Like a building is made up of with bricks, like that our body is made up of many cells, and cells are of different kinds. Our body has various types of cells. Like in the picture you can see, here are various type of cells, and all of these cells are in our body, and cells of the same kind join together to make a tissue. Look at the picture. The first one is a cell, is a single cell, and this type of many cells join together and make a tissue like that. And tissues join together to make an organ. This type of tissue join together and make an organ. You can see here, the organ is our heart, and many organs together form an organ system, and this organ form an organ system. Different organ system work together to make it possible for the body to play, learn, grow, and do more other things. ওকে, এখানে তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ যে প্রথমটা হচ্ছে একটা সেল। কিছু এরকম সেল একসাথে যুক্ত হয়ে টিস্যু হয়, এবং এই কিছু টিস্যু একসাথে যুক্ত হয়ে একটা অর্গান হয়, অর্গান ফর্ম করে। এখানে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি অর্গানটা হচ্ছে হার্ট, এবং এই হার্ট অর্গানটা একটা অর্গান সিস্টেম আমাদের শরীরে তৈরি করে, এবং এরকম আরও অনেক অর্গান সিস্টেম একসাথে যুক্ত হয়ে আমাদের শরীরকে নানা কাজ করতে সাহায্য করে। নেক্সট, our sense organs. Everything we know about the world is through our senses. The main sense organs are eyes, the ears, the nose, the tongue, and the skin. As you can see in the picture, here the five sense organs are given. Our eyes helps us to see. You can see here, our eyes helps us to see. Our ears helps us to hear. Our nose helps us to smell, and our tongue helps us to taste. Our skin helps us to feel temperature, pain, pressure, and touch. Okay, all our sense organs are helps to sense many various things, and they all are connected to our brain through the nerves. The first of all, sense organ send the message to to the brain through the nerves, and the sense organ send message to the brain. The brain makes us understand pictures, sound, smell, taste, and feelings. While our sense organs helps us know our surrounding, the organ system inside our body carry out different functions. These organ systems are like the members of a team. Each one has its own function. The sense organ send message to the brain, and brain analyze them, and we react according to the message. And all our body organs are like a like the members of a team. সব আমাদের যে অর্গান সিস্টেমগুলো আছে সেগুলো একটা টিমের মেম্বারের মতন, সবাই একসাথে কাজ করে আমাদের সাহায্য করে নানা রকম কাজ করতে। The respiratory system. The respiratory system supplies oxygen to various parts of our body. This is a picture of respiratory system. This contains nose, heart, lungs, etc. We take in air through our nose. The hair in the nose prevent dust and germs from entering our body. So always breathe through your nose, not through your mouth, because air contains various types of dust and germs, and the hair of our nose prevent them from entering our body. যখনই নিঃশ্বাস নেবে তখন নাক দিয়ে নেবে, তার কারণ নাকে যে হেয়ারগুলো থাকে সেই হেয়ারগুলো আমাদের যে এয়ারে যে ইমপিউরিটিগুলো থাকে, মানে যে ডাস্ট বা জার্মস থাকে, সেগুলোকে আটকে দেয়। The air that we breathe in has a gas called oxygen. You can see here, we breathe in oxygen. It burns up the food we eat and gives us energy. অক্সিজেন বার্ন দ্য ফুড, অক্সিজেন আমাদের খাবারগুলোকে হজম করে এবং সেগুলো থেকে আমাদের এনার্জি দেয়। অ্যান্ড উই ব্রিথ আউট কার্বন ডাইঅক্সাইড, অ্যান্ড it is impure, and breathing purifies our blood. By breathing we purify our blood. Breathe correctly. We should breathe in fresh air. In order to keep our body healthy, we must breathe correctly. We breathe in fresh air, not in the polluted air. Breathe through our nose, not through our mouth. Keep the windows of our rooms open. It allows the fresh air to come in our room. Not cover our face while sleeping, because in the sleeping we need more oxygen, so it prevents us to take the oxygen. Okay, next, the digestive system. You can see here it is the full digestive system. First of all, when we smell food, our mouth start watering. This is the beginning of digestion. Digestion is the process of changing a food into a simple form so that it can be used by the body. This is the digestive system. First of all, when we chew foods, it mixes with saliva in our mouth. Here the food mixes with saliva and it becomes soft, and it directly goes to stomach. Here, then in the stomach, the food mixes with the digestive juices. After 4 hours of eating, the food goes into small intestine. After going to stomach, the food after that digest, the food goes to the small intestine. This is called small intestine, and here the nutrients absorbed by the um, blood and carried out the other parts of the body. And then the undigested food that we do not digest, or it or the other part, the waste part are goes to the large intestine. This is called large intestine. This is called large intestine, and next they uh, from there it is thrown out through the anus. The circulatory system, you can see here, uh, this is a picture of circulatory system. It contains heart, blood and blood vessel. The heart pumps the blood to different parts of the body through the small and big vessels. The blood vessel uh, carries the blood pumping through the pumping by the heart. This is called circulatory system. Next, nervous system. This is a picture of nervous system, and it contains the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. By the nervous system, our body do many actions like seeing, hearing, walking, learning, feeling, etc. Next is skeletal system. Skeletal system is the system that is made up of bones, and our body is made up of 206 bones. We all know, and they together make the skeletal system. The bones give shape and support to our body, and they help us um, to do different actions like stand, walk, play, run, etc. Next, the muscular system. Our muscles along with the bones helps us our body to make different actions. Uh, this is the picture of our muscles, and with the help of our bone it help us to do different actions. The excretory system. By this system, we can remove the wastes of our body, like like the kidney remove urine. You can see the skin remove sweat. Sweat is also our wastes, and the lungs throw out the carbon dioxide. Next, the reproductive system. The organ of this system, by the help of this system, the life on this earth goes on. This system creates a new life from the from the older one. Okay, let us say it again. The human body works like a machine. Human body মেশিনের মতন কাজ করে. The human body is made up of cells, tissues, organs and organ system. Human body cell, tissue মানে হচ্ছে কলা. এবং অর্গ্যানস এবং অর্গান সিস্টেম নিয়ে তৈরি হয়। আওয়ার সেন্স অর্গান টেলস আস অ্যাবাউট দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড, আমরা আমাদের সেন্স অর্গান দিয়ে চারিপাশ আমরা বুঝতে পারি। সেন্স অর্গান ওয়ার্ক টুগেদার উইথ ব্রেনস, সেন্স অর্গান ব্রেনের সাথে কাজ করে। দ্য ভেরিয়াস সিস্টেম হেল্প আওয়ার বডি টু ক্যারি আউট ডিফারেন্ট ফাংশন, নানা রকম যে সিস্টেমগুলো আছে সেই সিস্টেমগুলো দিয়ে আমরা নানা রকম কাজ করি। ওকে স্টুডেন্টস, দ্যাটস অল ফর নাও. We will continue this chapter in the next class. Thank you.